Hi there, I'm Jo Hall and I'm a writer and I create characters. And I've got some tips for you to create your own unique characters. Let's start with a few questions. What sort of characters are they? Are they human? Are they animals? Or something else? Your character might be a fairy or even a book. I'm going to choose a hedgehog for my character. Next question. What colour will they be? You might want your character to be more than one colour. My hedgehog is going to be pink and yellow. What's your character going to wear? They might wear something that makes them stand out, like a hat, a scarf, a bell, or maybe something else. My hedgehog's going to wear a bow. Next question. Does your character have any family? I think my hedgehog has younger brothers and sisters who are sometimes quite naughty. Does your character have any friends? They might have lots of different friends. A special friend, or they might have no friends. I think my character has two special friends, a fairy called Fatima and a mouse called Millie. How does your character normally feel? Are they happy, sad, or angry? I think my hedgehog character is usually happy. Next, let's think about what your character likes to do. Is it painting, gardening, or playing sports? You can choose anything you like here. What about your character's favourite food? Do they like fruit, vegetables, or cakes? Or something else? Is there anything special about your character that you think we should know? Like, can they fly? Or are they scared of heights? Or are they really good at making music? Now, what will you call your character? I want my character to be a girl and I want her name to start with the same letter as hedgehog. That's an H or a H. So I think I might call her Hoppy Hedgehog, and I think she might hop from place to place. So let me properly introduce you to Hoppy the Hedgehog, who always wears a bow. Hoppy likes to play games. She's really good at growing things. Hoppy's favourite fruit is an apple. Oh, and this hedgehog hops everywhere. So, what will your character be like? Remember to ask yourself those questions. What kind of character are they? What colour or colours will they be? What is your character going to wear? Does your character have family or friends? How is your character feeling? What does your character like to do? What is your character's favourite food? Is there anything special about your character? And what name are you going to give your character? So, lots of things to think about there. Now, go and draw yourself a picture of your character, tell somebody about your character, or write a description about your character. And then you'll be ready to start your story. I think I've got the perfect story for Hoppy the Hedgehog. So, until I see you next time, keep enjoying stories. Bye!